Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. Today I'm trying out the GenCrafts neon set. This is a pre-mixed paint pouring set that comes with 12 colors. If you're interested in seeing my original review of the GenCrafts paint sets, in that one I did the original set and the metallic set. You can click in the description or look in the cards. And in that video, I mentioned that I wanted to do the neons on their own and test them under black light. Well, as you can see, they are definitely glowing under black light. Now, some of them are a little bit more reactive than others. As you can see, this one's a little darker, but they all glow to a certain extent, and I'm very excited about this. I have an 8x10 canvas, and I was trying to think of a fun technique to do that would show off all these colors. And I realized I haven't ever done a ribbon pour. I think a ribbon pour would be really fun and kind of trippy under the black light. So I think that would be perfect for today's video. I'm going to go ahead and layer paint into a cup and then pour all over the canvas to get ribbons of different colors. This is my first time doing it, so we'll just kind of have to see. I think I'm going to attempt to use a little bit of every color in this. I'm going to get this cleared off and then we can get started. My gosh, this feels like one of those trippy music videos where you have no idea what's moving, what's not, if something's coming closer to you or further away, and it looks like a heat map. This is so cool. I am so excited about this technique for neon blacklight colors. I have no idea what this looks like in regular lighting, so it could be crazy in regular lighting, but first I'm going to hit it with my torch just to see if I can pop some bubbles. From my experience, some of the bubbles in the paint don't really like to come out as it settles, so I kind of have to force them out. I'm super curious to see what this looks like with regular light, so I'm just going to flip on one of my filming lights so we can kind of take a little peek. Whoa! Oh my gosh, it looks just as cool! Oh, this is so neat! I was expecting a lot of really muddy colors. Now it's a little muddy up here and down here, but the colors in the middle are really vibrant and pretty. I do need to double check my corners because it looks like some of them didn't get quite covered enough. It's a little hard to see when it's dark. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to let it sit for just a little bit, and then we'll take a closer look, but with the black light on. So this is sat for a few minutes, and I decided I wanted to show it to you under regular light first, up close, and then under black light. So I'm really happy with how the paints kept their kind of integrity near the middle. They did get a little muddy on the edges, but it was kind of to be expected with this color combination. When you have so many warm and cool colors, you're bound to get some muddiness if you're not careful, and I wasn't super careful with this. Oh, this is so cool right here. This green with the pink. Oh, so pretty. I'm glad I finally tried this technique because I love it. It's a little harder to control than some of the other ones that I do, so I think that's why it initially scared me, but I'm really happy with the results. Very cool. Okay, let's flip on the black lights and we will take another closer look. Here we are. This is my favorite version of this pour under the black light. Let's get a little closer. I'm going to try to do this without blocking the light. Oh my gosh, it's so fun. I love how bright it is. Oops, it's having trouble focusing, I'm sorry. This right here really looks like a heat map. I just love how these colors glow. This is so cool. If you are interested in checking out these paints for yourself, I will leave links down in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will be posting my dry painting on my Instagram account, so be sure to follow me there. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below. What is your favorite technique to use with neons under black light? Or what is a technique you'd like to see? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.